Currently, Europe is struggling to deal with the crisis, and so far it has lacked the imagination and infrastructure to implement long-lasting and workable solutions. We believe that when people work together to share ideas and ambitions that benefit a community, then happiness, prosperity and security await us all. We have designed Dia Mondiale, Innovation Centre City of the Future, a landscape to be built and inhabited by our community, consisting of people who have been displaced and uprooted. We will provide the training, equipment and expertise necessary to build green homes, community and innovation centres, and in doing so creating a new sense of feeling at home. We have teamed up with the local council of Almere, are in partnership with the students and a panel of experts researching circular energy at Wageningen University. With thanks to the Challenge City of the Future initiative, we have also teamed up with Sustainer Homes and shall be implementing their innovative, award-winning and self-sustaining technology. This is not new for us. For almost a decade, our team has specialised in working with and for communities and neighbourhoods in Almere. We have already built the biggest intercultural collaboration in the city, which houses 186 different nationalities, a perfect testing ground for 2 pilot programmes in the city centre and Almere Oosterwolde. We develop non-discriminatory, equal partnerships between the voluntary and statutory sector. Togetherness and community require compromise and the will to understand each other. Shared spaces require balance, and this is what we want to do in our housing cooperative Dia Mondiale. This cooperative is determined in placing key decisions in the hands of families, single persons and small social enterprises. We offer the opportunity for the Netherlands to take the lead in Europe by investing into a number of community interest companies which pioneer cultural, environmental, social and entrepreneurial innovation. Support Dia Mondiale.